guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are standing here in front of our Hydro Blast. The reason for that is when you're vapor honing your parts, you're putting in very greasy and oily parts. The question was brought up, my water gets dirty really quickly when I do that. Now the vapor honing machine can clean those parts with no problem, but the Hydro Blast was designed to remove grease and grime. It has a heater built into it. Hot water with a low foaming aqueous-based detergent is actually what cleans these parts. You have about 1500 PSI coming out of the blast nozzle. That's going to degrease your parts. It's going to get all that gunk and grime off of it. This machine actually has filters that are built in to the bottom of it to filter that stuff as it goes through. You can't put filters necessarily in a wet blast cabinet because it would filter your media out also. Using nothing but water in here, we can't actually filter it. Your water will still get a little dirty, but not as dirty as it will if you run it straight through a vapor honing machine. The question was asked, is it worth putting the parts in a Hydro Blast before we take it over to our wet blasting machine? The answer is obviously yes, especially if you don't want to keep changing water out of your machine. If you get the machine and it gets dirty, yes, you can drain the water out, you can put fresh water back in. Your media is going to get dirty, you're going to change it out a lot more often. Using something like this Hydro Blast will keep those parts cleaner when they go in the machine. It does not provide any type of finish, but it will get that grease and stuff off. If you want to save your vapor honing machine, using a Hydro Blast to clean the parts first is the perfect way to go. If you have any more questions, give me a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.